Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Christmas music. Let's dive right into the creative process. First, think about the heart of your song. Is it about joy, family, or perhaps a snowy evening? Next, pick a musical genre that fits your vision, whether it's a classic carol feel or a modern pop sound. Start by humming a simple tune or playing a few chords on your instrument. This initial spark is crucial for building your festive masterpiece. Now, let's give your song a solid framework. Most popular songs follow a verse-chorus structure, often with a bridge for variety. Think about adding classic Christmas sounds like the jingle of sleigh bells, the warmth of a string section, or the sparkle of chimes. Your lyrics should paint vivid pictures of the holiday season, bringing feelings of joy and togetherness to your listeners. Aim for a chorus that is catchy and memorable, around 20 to 30 seconds long. Once your basic song is in place, it's time to refine the arrangement and production. Layering different instruments, like a piano, guitar, and bass, can add depth and texture. Pay close attention to your mix, making sure each instrument and vocal track sits perfectly in the soundscape. Consider adding lush vocal harmonies or backing vocals to give your chorus an extra lift and make it truly shine. A well-produced track can elevate a good song to a great one. Finally, let's put the finishing touches on your Christmas creation. Mastering is the crucial last step, ensuring your song has optimal loudness and clarity for all listening environments. Don't be afraid to ask for constructive feedback. A fresh pair of ears can offer valuable insights. Once it's perfect, share your festive tune with the world. Upload it to your favorite streaming services or post it on social media for everyone to enjoy. Happy holidays!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.